Oh look, there used to be a basement level. Oh.
Oh yeah.
I guess now it's staff only. Look at that.
That's cool. So this place started life as a 4-story apartment store.
Wow, look at that.
That's been walled off for quite some time.
Most definitely, yeah.
I think that's going to be the thumbnail of my video. The escalator to nowhere.
Oh.
The other one.
It looks like it's walled off too. Yeah, it is. Definite. This reminds me of the Baldwin Hills Macy's. Doesn't it remind you of that a little bit?
Big time.
Yeah.
And the first floor is taller too.
Yeah.
All it's missing is an arcade level.
Oh, for sure, yes. Sure.
Here we go.